so that it seals the mouth of your bottle. So it should cover the mouth of your bottle, but your
You need to cover the
straw should still stick out. So
Put it back in here. I haven't finished, teacher. Like this? Yes, Carly, like that. This is what I need.
Faster.
That was Carly.
Okay, let's sit back down. Can you put your...
100.
I think you guys all know what's in our blood, right? What's in our blood? Do you guys still remember?
acid.
Acid? Are you sure?
There's platelets and
Blood cells.
Good job.
red blood cells. Red and white.
Yes, red blood cells, white blood cells,
And
platelets,
white
and
blood
plasma,
cells.
right?
Yesterday, right? We need this today. Because the red blood can go inside here.
You can experiment with it later, Terry. Okay, let's give everyone a bit more time to finish, and then we can.
This looks like a pie.
Terry, what does it look like?
Very good. Awesome, you guys. Yeah, we're just gonna. Very good, Kayleen. Okay, do you guys all have your cut balloons? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this one first. We're gonna use this one first, and we're gonna put it just like
Tube or like a straw. There's stuff inside the tube. There's like fat or other things stuck inside the tube. And when that happens, blood can't get to the heart. And the heart needs blood in order to pump, right? Without blood, the heart can't pump. So this is really,
Try
really
pulling this bit and see what happens.
You look
Great! I love it. It's hilarious.
Wow, how musical artist, Garrett.